What is up, everybody? Welcome back inside Homebuilt Workshop, episode number 28. Happy New Year, everybody! I hope you all had a great Christmas season and a Happy New Year. It's time to kick off 2018. Man, I can't believe that it's 2018 already. Isn't that crazy? It seems like we just started, I don't know, 2015. It goes so fast. Everybody says that the years go faster as you get older, and it kind of seems like that's true. Used to hear that a lot, you know, growing up and stuff, but I guess it does. I don't know why that is. It's just, I don't know. Kind of weird. Anyway, happy 2018. So right now, I am in the shop trying to figure out what I'm going to do for my next project. I've got a bunch of things. A couple of them are kind of long builds, so I'm not sure what I'm going to start next. I am in the middle of wrapping it up. I'm working on wrapping up a 3-string cigar box guitar right now. It's not really cigar box guitar, but it's very similar, where I had to build the whole box and everything for it. This is the body. It's all done, and I'm waiting for clear to dry on the neck. And it's one of those spray it, sand it, spray it, sand it, spray it, sand. So I'm in between. I'm waiting for it to dry so I can sand some more. And meanwhile, I'm trying to get set up for the upcoming projects that I got going on. Do you guys have a good Christmas? Man, I did. We had a great Christmas. Really nice to have a little bit of time off of work and finish some projects with my daughter. Which, did you see those videos? What'd you think? Those were really fun. Man, we had such a fun time doing those projects. I love spending time with Haley, my daughter, working on stuff together. She cracks me up, keeps me laughing on my toes. It's just really fun. I enjoy the time we get to spend actually working on stuff. So if you haven't seen the video, we did 2 videos in December, projects we were working on together. I'll put a link to the latest one, which is the candle holder, snowman candle holder. I'll put a link down below in the description so you can check it out. I got some new stuff for Christmas. You probably noticed back here, I got some different cordless tools. Got these rigid brushless drill and driver, and also the cordless router. Man, I only used it once so far on this guitar build, but that's pretty slick. Having a cordless trim router, no cords or anything to get in the way. I don't know, so far I'm really liking what Rigid's got going on. And I don't get anything from Rigid by saying that, but so far from what I've used them, man, I think their stuff's pretty good. I have had the Rigid oscillating spindle and belt sander for a while, and that's pretty cool. But I'm really excited to really get into using these, the drill and the impact driver and all that, to see how they really work. But so far, thumbs up. Thumbs up. I like them. I got a chance a couple of weeks ago to visit a local kind of a maker space. It's called Kilroy's Workshop, and they do a lot of classes for kids and teenagers and stuff like that. They also do adult classes too, but man, they teach like 10, 11, 12-year-olds blacksmithing. They got a really cool setup, several forges, and they go through all the different apprentice levels, and that was pretty cool. Got to hang out over there for a little while, see some of the knives that the class was working on at the time, that they'd hand forged, and they sharpened them up and grind them. Pretty cool. If you're interested in learning blacksmithing, check out Kilroy's Workshop. They are located in Peyton, Colorado. So if you're not local, but it doesn't really matter. Apparently they have people fly in from like Canada and all over the place to take classes over there, because there's nobody else doing that sort of thing. So if you are connected with me over on my Facebook page, you would have seen a picture that I posted from that shop, and pretty cool setup. So if you're interested, check it out. It's always fun connecting with with other local makers and workshops and stuff like that. Speaking of connecting, I recently learned too that we have a hardwood dealer, a local hardwood place, only a few miles up the road from me. I didn't know that. So I got to get a hold of them and get up there and pay them a visit, because I think I do need some, need to get some hardwood. So when I check that place out, when I do, I will also let you know in case you're interested. That's one of the things that I want to try to do in 2018 is connect more with people, especially local people, local shops and custom places and makers. I want to be to meet some more people and just network a little bit more than I did in 2017. So that's one of my goals. Do you guys do New Year's resolutions? I never really got into that too much. I don't know why that is. It's just never was my thing, you know? But I don't know. It's always good to have goals though. I don't know if I'd call them resolutions, but to me they're just goals. I think we'll just wrap this episode up here. We'll keep it nice and short and sweet. I got to get to working on another project. I still don't know what that's going to be yet, but I got to get to working on it. So something quick that I can knock out and get that little victory before I tackle the bigger builds. So anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Again, Happy New Year and wishing you all the best for 2018. Let's hit this year hard and make it count. So until next time, see you later.